Hello, this is my little review of the Benchmade Morpho 32 butterfly knife. As you can see, this is a self-healing mat in case you don't know what that is. Let's see, got a little registration card and some plastic. This is a little pouch. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the 0 mark. Here's the 7-inch mark. Knife is about 4.5 inches closed, and it's got this nice little spring latch. It's like pops open. Goes to about 7 1/3 open. It's got a spear point. You can see it's symmetrical. It doesn't have the clip point, so it has a titanium pocket clip. Although I don't know why you'd want to get a pocket clip for this thing. These are illegal to carry in just about every state for some reason or another. And it's really light. It's very light. The blade is, according to the website propaganda, 59 to 61 Rockwell hardness. So I haven't really had the chance to play with it, so I really suck with it. So nobody make fun of me because I'm bad at it. So anyway, that's enough of that. Later.